What is up, everybody? How's it going? So we're a little different today, a different angle. We got a large, very large box that we're going to do a guess what's in the box video on. There's actually probably two boxes in the actual view, but we're gonna talk about this large square one that's about 6 feet, and we'll go from there. Appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys there. Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. This is going to be a guess what's in the box video on this box right here, not that one. We'll do that one in a separate video. I did go grocery shopping, picked up some stuff, that's why there's a mess right here. It did clean up in front of the toolbox, as you can see. I need to pick this up again, but this right here, got some clean dishes sitting right here. So this box, I'm gonna want to do just a guess what's in the box video. Figure you guys might like it. Never had a box this big on the channel before. Try to get it in view. Gonna kind of sit it like that so you guys can see it. Need to grab my measuring tape. Alright, so this box is 26 3/8 wide by 19 inches exactly. So it's 19, and then the front is 26 3/8. 26 3/8. So it's kind of a rectangular box. It is actually crushed at the bottom here. This corner is crushed. There's a hole right here, which it's alright. I've already opened it. Box is open. I had to open it before the FedEx guy could leave because I had to make sure that all the items were not damaged before I signed for it. This box is, try the least amount of crushed spot. It is 5 feet. 1, 2, 3.5 inches. 5 feet 7 inches. This is, and it's leaning 67 inches and 1/8 of an inch tall. Probably a little bit taller. It's probably about 68. It's not actually standing up straight. Straight would be like that. So it's not standing straight, but it's all right. What do you guys think is in the box? I'm actually taller than the box, but it probably, with the wide view on the camera, it probably looks like I'm shorter than it or at the same height as the box. We'll do this one on a different video. What do you guys think is in it? I can tell you right now, it should be stuff for the Wrecked 2000 SR5 4Runner. That might give you an idea of what might be in this box. Elevator didn't go all the way up. So it showed up today, as well as that wide one right there. Next video, we'll just pop it open because it's already open. I'll lay it down and we'll pull parts out of it and show you guys. It's just a quick guess what's in the box video. I got the seat covers on the Limited installed. These are the seat covers that came out of the SR5 that I need to put back in. I got a bunch of boxes right here that need to be burned for my wife's garden. I got a bunch of Toyota parts right here. A couple Toyota shocks or parts for one of the Toyotas here. We got the Limited's rim in the back and tire spare, and we got the SR5's driver side front tire and rim or wheel, however you'd like to put it. Got to clean all this up. I did clean this corner up quite a bit. I got another empty box that's going to help clean most of the rest of this up. I haven't cleaned this up yet, but you know, it'll be alright for now. But that's the machine I was using to clean the carpets in the SR5. But that's all I got. It's not going to be on the orange cart today. If I put that box in the orange cart, it wouldn't fit. It hit the roof. And this one is just too awkward and big to put on the cart, so we'll just record it sitting right here. This one is a little bit bulged. It's a little bit bulged on the back right here. It's kind of hard to see it, but it's definitely bulged. It's there you go. It's about 2 or 3 inches bulged on this side and about 4 or 5 inches on this side. It's a little bit heavy, but not too bad. I got a couple items in the sink that I need to do dishes, and I need to clean up and put all the clean dishes away. But, you know, it's what happens when you have kids, and sometimes you just don't have time to put food and cans and stuff away. It is what it is. But appreciate you guys stopping by. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Got an Olsa Tools link top of the description below. It also gets you 10% off your order at olsatools.com, as well as it kicks me back 10%. All links are affiliate links. I get a small, tiny, microscopic commission off of them when you use them. If you use them, I do much appreciate it. For all the people that watch, that like, dislike, comment, people that watch the channel and are not subscribed, that are subscribed, aren't subscribed, people that at one point in time were Patreons. I wanted to thank the members as well. We got Polar Bear Ed, Lawn Care Juggernaut, and we have Blake's Automotive and Restoration. They're all channel members, which is YouTube's variant of Patreon. And want to say thank you to all of you. You guys and girls are the reason, or gals, are the reason that the channel is monetized and it's making money. None of this stuff was purchased with the YouTube money. All of this was actually purchased with the money, a little small amount of the money that I got from my SR5 being wrecked, and I'm deciding to put that $10,000 back into the truck. So we're going to be getting lots of things coming in for it, so that we can restore it, and might as well use the money that the insurance gave me, because the vehicle was totaled by the insurance, but it runs, drives, the frame's still straight. It's just body damage. So we're gonna get it back up and running. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!